Addition Solutions, a complete ERP solutions company. Here is the demonstration of supply chain management. Supply chain starts with the creation of requisition. Let us create a requisition. Search for the requisition. A requisition window will open. Now create a new requisition. Select the document type, purchase requisition. Now select the date, document date, say 4th of March. Now select the date required, say 5th of March, and you can select the warehouse. For example, it is selected as a factory. You can select the price list, then you can click on save. That saves the requisition. Now you have to create a requisition line. Click on requisition line. Select the product from the price list which we had selected earlier. For example, we are selecting the product called chili sauce. Select it from the list. Select the warehouse. Now in the selected warehouse there is no chili sauce available, so select the chili sauce. Select the quantity 2, save. Now on the bottom side it shows the availability of the chili sauce in the various warehouses. Now select the one more product. For example, say cashew nuts. Select the product cashew nut whole. Same way it shows the availability in the different warehouses. The current selected warehouse there is no cashew nuts, so select the quantity as 1 kg. Now save. Now go to the requisition header, complete the document. The document number will be generated automatically after save. Now you can complete. That's it. That indicates the lower bottom side, it indicates the requisition is completed. Now the next step is like creation of purchase order from the requisition which is just we had created. Select the requisition number, click on create PO from requisition. Select the requisition number, click on start process. This will automatically create the purchase order. The purchase order number is 806190, which is automatically created. Shows the value of the purchase order also. The prices are taken automatically from the masters. Now go to purchase order. Select the purchase order number which is automatically created from the process. Now you can see the purchase order which is automatically created by the process. Warehouse and everything is automatic. the vendor has been selected automatically. Select the activity which we had made it mandatory. Click on the purchase order lines. They have been also created automatically from the requisition. The chili sauce 2 quantities are there. Tax will also come automatically, which we had already assigned to that particular product. Click on toggle mode to see the products in the list form. Chili sauce and cashew nuts, the quantity is 2 and 1 as per the requisition which we had created. Now click on prepare and select the complete from the option. Click on the tick. This will complete the purchase order. Lower bottom side it shows the completion of the purchase order. Now the next step is to create the material receipt. That is when the vendor will deliver the material which you had ordered through the purchase order. Click on material receipt. The material receipt window will open. Create a new material receipt. Select the document type as receipt. Select the business partner. Warehouse and all, everything is you can select. Now click on create lines from. Once you click that thing, it will show the business partner, the locator, that is the warehouse, and the purchase orders which are available. Select the purchase order from the list. Select the purchase order which we had created earlier. Once you select the purchase order, it shows you the quantity and the product from that order. Click on the material which had been delivered by the vendor. Now click on receipt line. It will show the products which we had selected with the quantities. Now you can complete the material receipt. Once you complete the material receipt, the actual quantity of these products in the warehouse will get added. Let us check that. Click on product info. Select the product chili sauce. Chili sauce red 700 ml bottle. Now on the bottom side it shows the various warehouses with the quantity of chili sauce available. Now so you can see the factory warehouse is having a 2 quantity which is just now added after the material receipt completion. Now consider for the cashew nuts. Select the cashew nuts whole from the product list. Same way on the bottom side, check out the warehouse. It shows you 1 kilo quantity of cashew nuts available at the factory warehouse. That indicates the material receipt has been completed and the inventory is added into the selected warehouse. Now the purchase order screen will add the values and the costs automatically as per the master, and even the tax will be added automatically which are assigned to the product. You can see in the tab order tax, and on the purchase orders header on the lower side the total lines, that is the total value without tax, and total value, that is the grand total with the tax. That's it. This way the inventory has been controlled in the system. Now consider the invoice and the payments for the vendors. Now select the invoice vendor. This process is used to create the invoice for the vendors who had delivered the material to the warehouse. Click on the new invoice. Select the target document as AP invoice. Select the date. Select the business partner, which is Virchand Khimji in our case. Click on save to save the header. Click on create lines from. This will show you the new window with the selected business partner. Select the purchase order from the list of purchase orders. In our case it is 806190, which is created on 5th of March with the 782 rupees and 25 paise. Or you can select from the receipt also. Select the products which you want to add in the invoice. Now invoice lines will be automatically created after the selection of the products. You can see the chili sauce and cashew nut have been selected with the quantities from the purchase order. Now we can complete this. Even the total lines, that is value without tax, invoice value with the tax, everything is shown there. Click on complete. Now this, after clicking this, it will complete the invoice, that is the vendor invoice. Now after completion, the tax will be bifurcated. Like in this case there is VAT 5%, VAT 12.5%, everything is bifurcated, you can view. Now this is a completion of invoice vendor. Now consider the payment for this invoice. Now select the payment from the menu. Click on the new payment. Select the document type as AP payment. Select the bank account from which you are going to pay the amount. Select the business partner. Now select the invoice. Click on invoice button. Click on requery. This will show all the invoices of Virchand Khimji. Select the appropriate invoice which will appear here. with the value and the number. Click on save. The payment amount will appear automatically from the invoice, which will be paid from the bank. You can add the routing number, check number, account number, even the MICR number, etc. for the record purpose. Click on complete. Now once you click on complete, the amount will be deducted from the selected bank and paid to the vendor. Now let us check the allocations. Click on toggle. Now it shows minus 782 rupees and 25 paise. That indicates 782 rupees and 25 paise has been removed from the bank and paid to the vendor. And here the matching of invoice, order and payment, everything is there. That's it. This is the payment process. Addition solutions. Contact us at info@atsolerp.com. Visit us at www.atsolerp.com. Thank you.